Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial video on how to get custom themes for the Wii to make it look a bit different, and so it can make it look like red, orange, or probably you make it have like themes of like characters from different games, so it can make it look pretty cool. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So the first thing you're going to want to have is something called preloader. Now preloader is basically brick protection, so doing themes like this could brick your Wii, so you want to make sure that you have brick protection like preloader installed already. So you need to have that installed on your Wii. Also, you're going to want an SD card. You can use an SDHC card, but it has to be Wii version 4.0 and above. So 4.1, 4.2, and 4.3. You can use SDHC cards. And yeah, so just make sure you have that ready. And we're going to get right into this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the first link in the description, or the second link, to install the My Menu pack right here, and then you're going to want to extract it to your desktop right here. So you'll get a bunch of these files in the zip file. So what you're going to want to do once you have it extracted to your desktop is you're going to want to run the mymenusetup.exe and let it install the program. So I already have it installed, but go through the installation process. And then once you have that installed, you're going to take the Mymenuify folder right here, and you're going to want to go on, so you just want to go onto your SD card here, and you're going to want to take the Mymenuify folder and then drag it into your apps folder right here. And once you drag it onto the apps folder here, don't mind all this extra stuff. Is what I have. You're gonna see it's right here. So you have Mymenuify installed on your homebrew channel. So once you've gone and done that, you've installed the My Menu program. You're gonna want to run the NUS downloader, so that will be probably like the third link in the description right here. So you'll get another zip file. You're going to extract that to your desktop as well. So you're going to take your NUS downloader.exe. You're going to want to open it up, and then what you're going to want to do is at the bottom you're going to want to check packwad and create decrypted contents, and then you're going to want to go to the database up here, go to system menu, and here you're going to want to choose your system menu version. So in many cases it will be 4.3 U or E if you're on the latest version. So you're going to want to choose the version number and the letter for your location. So for me it would be 4.3 U, which is for North America, and for Europe it would be 4.3 E, and 4.3 J for Japan, 4.3 K for Korea. So you'd have your number and your letter so if you are on version 4 in Europe, you would choose 4E. Version 4.1 in North America, you would choose 4.1 U, like that. So mine, it would be 4.3 U, so you click your correct version, and then you see you have to make sure you install stuff like preloader. It will just give you a warning there, and then what you're going to do is click start NUS download. So then it will download a bunch of stuff. I already had it downloaded, so I'm not going to do it again. It will download stuff, and then it should say like down completed, and then after that you're going to go extras, open NUSD directory, and then so it's the same spot, but you're going to have a titles folder, and then open up the titles folder 0, 1, 2, 5, 1, 3, and then you're gonna see you're gonna have a bunch of app folders. So you're gonna want to go to probably the fourth link in the description, maybe, and you're gonna want to have, there's gonna be a chart there. Yep. So here's the chart right here. So you're gonna see you have version, region, and then your version is here, and then your region is here. So what you're gonna see is your region up at the top right here. So it'll be NTSC-U, NTSC-J, and PAL, which is Europe. So most likely it'll either be PAL or NTSC. So what you're going to want to find is your version. So remember the same one you chose in the NUS downloader. So I had 4.3, it might be 4.2, 4.1, and then I have the NTSC-U, so I would choose 00097.app. But if you live in Europe, you would choose 09 or whatever version app file. So once you've figured out which one you need by the chart, you want to go back to here, take the one you need. So mine needs 097, so I'll drag it to my desktop right here. There we go. And now you have it ready. So then what you want to do is run your My Menu program that you installed. There we go. So what you're going to want to do is see your source right here. You're going to want to find your 97.app file, and then the MYM file. What you're going to want to do is go to the fifth link. There's a lot of links, and you're going to want to, it will bring you to this website here. You're just want to find a theme for your correct version. Now I'm using this website because it has a lot to choose from, but you just want to make sure that you choose the correct one. So you see I chose darkly red, so you would choose 4x NTSC or 4x PAL if you're in Europe. So you have a lot to choose from. The dark blue one I had an issue with, so it bricked my Wii, but I used preloader to unbrick it. But so I don't know if that's just me. I'm pretty sure it's just me, but I've been having a bit of issues with the dark blue one. The other ones I didn't test, but I know for me the red one works. So you would download the one you want. So just click download there. It'll bring you to an AdFly link or something. Oh, that's weird. And then you would download it, and then you should want to put it on your desktop. So I've got it right here. So it will be like a MYM file. And what you're going to want to do is for the MYM file, you're going to find it, and then here we go, open it. Then you want to click create my menu, and then it will do a bunch of stuff, and then you'll have a CSM file. So then what you want to do is you want to go back to your SD card. You're going to want to make a folder called CSM, and then you're going to want to save it in the folder. See, I already have it there, so you'll click save, and then it will save it, and then you've got it ready for your SD card. Now we're going to go to the second part. I'm going to jump onto the Wii, and I'm going to be showing you how to get it installed on your Wii. So see you guys on the Wii. Okay, so now that we are on the Wii, you're going to want to navigate to your homebrew channel here. So I've already gotten to my homebrew channel. So what you're going to want to do is find your Mymenuify GUI right here. You see at the top there's D2X CIOS installer. If you try to launch this and it shows a black screen, you're gonna want to get this and then look up a tutorial, maybe on Google or something, to figure out what to do with this. Because if you do it wrong, it could have a problem. So if there's a black screen when you try to launch this, you're going to want to get this, Google how to get all this stuff, because it's pretty complicated. I'm not going to go in depth in it. But what you want to do now is open up the Mymenuify GUI, load right here. Also, I had a bit of issue with my Wii remote, but not anymore. So now you see it should do this. You're going to want to find the folder that you made. So we made the CSM folder, remember? Then you want to go on to it. There we go. And then you see we have the CSM file that we put on. So what you want to do is you want to click on it. There you go. And then you said, do you really want to install this? It may take a while. Click yes. I've already installed it, so I'm going to hit no, but you're going to click yes, and then it should, like, freeze for a bit, and then it'll say installation done, and then it'll say exit, so you would click exit. And then it should bring you back to the homebrew channel. Now, this is where it comes in. So, if you don't have preloader, it'll be huge. It'll be a big problem. So, right here, you see, I have preloader at the top there. You're gonna need to have something like that. So then, if the theme has installed correctly and it doesn't give a black screen, click exit to system menu, and then you should see something pretty cool happen to your menu. Well, that's loud. Yeah. So look, it's red now. You can see it brings it completely. It doesn't change it a lot, but it makes it look really cool. In my opinion, you go we options, see, look, that's that background right there. You'll also get that background when you start up the Wii. Instead of that warning health safety information, you'll get that Wii thing. I'll press A to continue. But if there's a black screen, you can look up a tutorial to what to do if that happens. But I'll just give it loader. If it gives a black screen to get into preloader, what you're gonna want to do is power off your Wii, and then power on and hold the reset button. It'll bring it into preloader, and then you can just fix it from there. So yeah, look up a tutorial for that to figure out how to do it. So that's it. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you enjoy your theme that you got. I chose the red one because I know it works, but other ones I'm not too sure. So yeah, that's it for this. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment if you have an issue, and I'll be sure to respond. So I'll see you guys in the next video.